Hey everyone, welcome back. If your phone is getting slow and storage keeps filling again and again, then stop everything right now because you are about to discover a hidden setting inside your phone that most people never use. This one feature can instantly free up space, remove junk files, and make your phone feel faster in just a few minutes. Watch till the end because you will be shocked how much useless data is hiding inside your device. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your phone using a powerful tool called Files by Google. Most people install apps to clean their phone, but they never use this built-in feature properly. And that's why their storage keeps filling again and again. Let's get started. First, open your phone and look for an app called Files by Google. If you don't have it, then open Play Store and search Files by Google. Install it and open it. Now pay attention carefully. When the app opens, you will see three lines on the top corner. Tap on it. Now you will see a clean option. Tap on Clean. Now here is where the real magic starts. You will see junk files section showing how much space is wasted. Tap on Clean button. Confirm it. And just like that, your phone will instantly free up storage space. Next powerful feature. Now scroll a little. You will see Duplicates file option. This is very important because most phones are full of repeated photos, videos, and files. Tap on Select Files. Now you will see duplicate copies clearly marked. Keep the original and select Duplicates only. Now tap Move to Bin. And your storage is saved again. Next, Unused Apps Cleanup. Now here comes another powerful option, Unused Apps. Tap on Select Apps. You will see apps that you never use. Select them carefully, like I select these apps because I don't use them. Now tap on Install. This will remove unnecessary apps and make your phone faster. Large Files Cleaning. Now go to Delete Large Files option. Be careful here, not every large file is useless. So, check everything properly. Select only unwanted videos or files. Then tap Move to Bin. Finally go to Bin or Trash and clear it. Now imagine this. Just in a few taps, you remove junk files, duplicates, unused apps, and heavy files. Your phone now has more space and better performance. But one important thing that most people never do. Open Files by Google once every month, go to Clean tab and check storage. This simple habit can keep your phone fast for years. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful mobile tips like this. Thanks for watching.